Alright, we're going to try to go get tags for this bike. If the BMV isn't too crowded. If not, we'll do it at lunch. Alright, I'm going to go in and see how busy they are. If it's not too long of a wait, I'll get my tags. Well, $80 some later, I've got tags on my bike. So, yay! Get rid of the temporary tag, aka the tag that was on my Harley. Now I need to get hardware to mount the plate. Because somebody told me that the hardware I had that was finger tight when we was at the dealer was good enough the last time we went on a ride. Didn't even get down the road enough and found a bolt missing. About lost my tag. So we ended up zip tying the tag on. So drive to the auto parts store and see if they have some hardware to mount my license plate. It's a little windy today. Little bit. It's like people's afraid to do the speed limit. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get the stuff that's needed to get my license plate on, and I'll be back again. Oh, maybe I just need something plain. I don't want to. Here, maybe. Let's see. I don't want something with a weird end on it, but I wish they had black ones like that. What to do? Maybe I'll do this. I hate to have it with a special end on it, but oh, right here. What's this? That's not very big though. Yeah, we'll go this route. That's got a bunch of everything in it, I guess. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. Thanks.
How's it going?
Oh, pretty good. How are you?
All right. 1596.
No, I need two more. So then I need that Jeep bill.
Oop. Debit, I guess. All right, thank you, bud.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Really? This CarPlay's kind of hokey on this. Gotta fucking unlock it. That's a pain in the fucking ass. Now I'm off to work. See if this thing can set the light off. I know my Harley did. Hopefully this thing can. Here we go. Alright, well, I'm at work, so I'm out. Well, the hardware that I bought at the parts store, or the auto parts store, was fucking plastic. So you can't tighten them up without breaking the damn screws. So I'm going to go to Home Depot and figure that out. Well, the hardware, I guess, that you could use a regular screwdriver with, and that kit was plastic. I guess they had some other metal ones, but didn't really like it. So I'm going to try to find something to use that I do like. Well, anyway, that's what I'm doing on my lunch. Finding bolts to put my freaking license plate on. So I'll talk at you later. Just come on back. Man, I'm gonna just start recording whether I need to make a vlog or not, just in case I get hit. Well, that took a lot longer than it should have. It's like they didn't have exactly what I needed, so couldn't get all black. I guess I got the black bolts that you'll be able to see, but not the nuts. So, but you won't be able to see them, so I should be all right with that. We'll see when I put it on. Wasn't supposed to rain today, but it surely looks like it.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Can I help you?
Give me 3 junior cheeseburger deluxe and a medium fry.
This is a medium fry.
Hey,
26.
I'm sorry, can you put no pickle on those sandwiches, please?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. How you doing? So I can get see if I can get this in neutral without killing myself. What's that? That's a camera. Yeah, and you can take phone calls and all this other weird shit. So, well, I've almost been hit like 4 times going to Home Depot. I almost been hit 4 times going to Home Depot. So it's like a dash cam to me. Thank you. I don't need the receipt. It's just going to make a mess for me. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, bud. Yep. Hey. Probably shouldn't just gun it when somebody moves. Huh. It's like somebody's taking stuff off of this bike. Wonder if somebody had a phone mount on it. I'm gonna have a phone mount over there anyway when I get my other rock form piece. Yeah, the crash bars are way far forward. You got a lot of room in this bike. You can't really put highway pegs on it. I don't know, I guess you can, but they would have to be clear back here because my leg is almost stretched out. So you got a lot of leg room on this bike. I don't like resting my foot on that. Look, it's already getting dirty and shit. Kuryakin makes like a toe rest. I hate to buy that. I haven't seen anything else by any other company that looks halfway decent. And I really don't like Kuryakin that well. But it may have to work. Get them, and I guess if I don't like them, return them or sell them to somebody. I wonder if that's old or if that's me having that leak and all. Anyway, I'm out. I'll talk to y'all later.